Hey, what's up? I'm Estelle. I'm the founder of Florida Van Life, and this is our latest build. This is a, oh my goodness, I should know, 1998 Ford Econoline, I think. Pretty much, they're just a Florida Van Life though. On this one, we did custom mural on all of the doors over here. Here on the back doors, I'll show you that too. And then of course, our standard hammock swing on the outside. We love these. When you're out at the beach like we are right now, then you can just be hanging out on the hammock. And the good thing is they're really easy to move over. Simple carabiner. And then we've also a hammock all the way across as well. I'll climb in and show you inside a little bit. So we have this hammock all the way across. And the good thing is we have anchor points on either side. So you can actually pull this side, maybe an anchor to a tree or something. You can use the van as another anchor. So you can get creative about it. Same thing with this. And we can open this up, move it out of the way. And here we have a queen size bed. Nice and cozy. On this one, we got a little creative when we rounded out the corners, which is kind of cool. It's like a half circle, half queen bed. And then a little bit of chairs over here and storage right there. Underneath the bed, we always have a ton of storage. We build all of these the same, very secure with the 3/4 inch plywood, and then a cute tapestry to give you a little bit of, you don't have to look at all your clutter of all your things underneath. And then we built a little pull-out drawer on this one, so you can easily access your things a little bit better. And then another huge, deep storage all the way across. Well, the way I like building these is it helps with solo female, or solo anyone travel, is then when you're locked away at night, you can access all your things all the way to the back. So you never have to open up the door and expose yourself to anything outside. You can be a little more stealth. And then underneath here, we have an RV fridge. This is operated with shore power right now. This build does not have a battery. That could be an add-on if you want, depending on how many batteries, what size inverter, what size solar you want. We can add that on. As of now, the fridge and all the other electrical components in here, including our built-in outlets from around here. There's one on the bottom and 2 in the back. Those are all operated with shore power. So you have to plug into a campsite. I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple. And then a nice fridge cooler here. What we like about this brand here, is it operates as a cooler and a fridge. So you can fill it up with ice, and then you can just use it if you don't have power. You can still use it as a regular cooler. Right here we have our sink, and this one, very easy to use. There's a touch button right up here, and I forgot to fill it, as always. One of these tour videos, I remember to fill the bottle. You press that, in theory, water would come out if I were to have remembered to fill it with water. And then we have a nice sink here. It drains right outside. So make sure you use biodegradable soap and you don't throw anything that you don't want to be in nature. And then up here we have nice storage all throughout. We actually made here one giant storage cabinet that goes all the way to the back. These are interesting. These, in this year, they made them, they were top of the line. They had those little, like the mini TVs, the VHS, the VCR, all those things back in the late 90s. And now it's just a giant storage. You can put your clothes, anything up there, and it's a huge thing. It goes all the way back. And then we also have the same thing up here. There's a giant storage cabinet that goes all the way back here. We have our signature skylight. This one's a mini one. And then we have a little vent up here too. So for some airflow, skylight. And then, of course, little storage areas around here for all your knickknacks and whatnot. And that's what the inside looks like. A standard Florida Van Life build, queen bed, giant storage area underneath, simple kitchen, and then the driver and passenger area. This is what pretty much all the builds are, and we love it. We give it each a unique look with the custom murals and unique decorations, but the builds are kind of the same. We've got that pretty dialed in. Okay, so this is the back. I'll show you, lift up this tapestry, and as you can see, storage all the way in and out. This is where you can put stand-up paddle boards, you can put fishing poles, kite surfing equipment, all your toys you can fit throughout here. This is what I was mentioning. This is the shore power plug-in, and there's actually a little outlet over on this side and another one on this side. This one actually came with this system already built. We didn't do that. Sometimes when we pick up these vans, they have them partially built. We kept them. It's a bit different than we typically do our electrical system, but it works. So I figured might as well keep it and give it a little bit more of a unique look. How this thing works is I'll show you over here. This has a shore power plug-in like this. So you plug in this section right in here like this, and then you twist it to secure it. And then when you're at a campsite, you plug this in. It's a bit different than what we typically build with, but you know what? It came as is, so we're gonna leave it. And then to unplug it, same thing. Untwist, close it, and now you're good to go. There's a big line. And if you want this, if you end up buying this and you want us to build it to be an off-grid battery system, we can easily do that. That's an easy add-on for us. So we would just have a bunch of batteries and inverter and the whole solar charge controller, everything all dialed in, easy to use for you. But we would install solar panels, all of that, and then it would just be an add-on for you. And we'll clip in a little video right here from a different build so you can kind of see what it could look like if you would choose to add that on. And then we also have right here this AC unit, and this is also running from shore power right now, so you have to plug in. If you want to upgrade to the off-grid battery system, then this could run off-grid. And that's pretty much the build. It's our standard build. Each one has a complete different look, but the construction essentially the same. Well, thank you for watching this tour video. We have so much fun building these. We can't wait for the next one. Let us know if you want this, something similar, or if you even want to hire us for a custom build. But only do it for the right person, because we really are picky about who we choose to work with. And we really like to protect the creative process. But if you want to know, just contact me. And we want to remind you to stay wild and live free. And bye, Florida Van Life. Okay, see ya.